Welcome to another episode of Thrift Store Unboxing. Let's see what we got going on today. Let's see here. Here, help me rip. Oh, God. Oh, what is it? It's a wreath. Oh, it's a wreath. Oh, get out of there. Look at that. Oh, that's horrible. Fake grapes. Oh, man.
Oh, and pine cones.
And pine cones?
Oh, pine cones.
You know what? I know where this is going. Do you know where this is going? I'll give you one guess. Oh, man. That is horrible. Oh, God. I can already tell. It's another damn wreath. Yep. We get this stuff all year round, and nobody wants it until December. Let's see here. Oh, God, this one has two in it. I'm not even going to bother pulling that one out. It's the exact same thing. And it's going in the exact same spot. Garbage can. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's another wreath. 4 in a row, man. What are the odds? Like,
ooh, more gold pine cones.
Yeah. Who's going to store this crap until frickin' July?
Wait. You didn't see the front. Look in here.
Oh, shit. What are these? Silver Halle Berries? That's awesome. Man. Let's see. A chair. That's pretty cool. Little kid chair. Yeah? How about that? Nice. Oh, gee. There we go. Oh, God. Oh, God. An entire box full of holiday junk and stuff. Let's see here. Halloween. That is right. Halloween. Sure enough. That's actually kind of cool. Let's see what else we got. A Jacko Lantern, of course. Oh shit! It's a wind chime thing. There we go. Nice. There it goes. Yep. Sure enough. Get that crap out of here. Oh God. Oh God. A fall harvest wreath.
Whoa. Hey.
There's no bag in there. My bad. Let's see here. God. What is it with people in their freaking wreaths? I'm sick of wreaths. You want that one?
No.
She don't want that one.
Hold on.
Okay. I'm going to count down. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Wow. His name is true.
Right? A little bit anticlimactic. What are these things called? Scarecrow, yeah.
From the dollar store 20 years ago?
Yeah, something like that. Nobody wants this crap. This, whatever this is. Another windsock. Oh, man. This one has seen better days. Look at that. Look how tattered and frayed it is. Oh, gross. Sick. Oh, dude. Oh. Man. Alright, let's see what else we got. There we go. What's this guy? Starlight Sphere, huh? Oh. I think I have an idea what this is. Sure enough. A Starlight Sphere. There we go. Interesting. Okay. We'll send that on over to Cecil. I'm sure she'll want to price that up. Super valuable. Come on now. Oh, there we go. Sort of good enough for the women I date. Alright. Oh, God, it's a witch. Old bitch anyways. She's happy. What was she so happy about? Nah, Sarah doesn't want her. Right?
No.
Here, a pumpkin.
Oh, gee, thanks.
Yeah.
You never did it.
I'm here to help. Another witch.
File 13.
File 13. Alright, let's see what we got here. Gate is shut. Oh, God. I know what this is already. But I can see better than you, so it makes sense. Pumpkin lights. Pumpkin lights, yep. Aha. You guys gotta be leaving us comments, letting us know. You think they're throwing too much stuff away? Oh, God, there's more. Yep, pumpkin lights. Let us know what you think we should be selling this stuff at. Oh, garbage, nice. What is it? Oh, stop. There. Like a ceramic or terracotta friggin' jack-o'-lantern with a giant hole in the bottom. This is for people that are too lazy or too hoity-toity to go out and buy a pumpkin and cut a face into it. Okay, let's see here. We got here Boo Blinkers, a strand of 10 blinking Halloween lights to decorate your favorite haunt. We'll keep these ones, they're still in the box. Yeah, word of wisdom, we don't like lights, Christmas lights, Halloween lights, holiday lights that are all wadded up into a ball. We don't want that crap. Please keep it to yourself. I guess that's it for this box. Let's see what we got. Excuse me. Ugh. Let's see what's on the box. Let's see if it's actually what it says it is. Not even a little bit. Oh my God, those are icicle lights. And despite what I just advised, we don't like them wadded up, I'm going to keep these because...
Those are cool.
Those are cool. Okay, if they're absolutely cool, then you can give them to us.
Yeah,
but if it's the same line, yeah. But if they're the same lines that everybody else has, just toss them or give them to your grandkids or something. All right. Do you want either of these? Oh, you don't want the Halloween bat thing? Alright. Our seasonal lady's picky. Actually, the truth is we have an entire loft out in our shop. It is chock full. Chock full. Okay, let's see here. I see one more box. Oh God. Hey, I need your help. Oh wow, take a look at that. That's going down to my area. What is it?
Aren't they beautiful?
Oh my God, they're hanging lamps from what, the 50s, 60s?
60s.
Oh, at least. These are awesome. Here, can I don't know.
Which end is that?
I think you got the bottom. Here.
Oh, no. Well,
oh, okay, I got the box.
okay.
Yeah, you got the box? I got the box. Check that out. That is awesome. Oh, wow. That is so hideous. And it's going to sell for big bucks, I guarantee it. Oh, man, that is awesome.
Twisted.
What a way to end the episode. That is amazing. Let us know in the comments below what you think we should sell these at. There's 2 of them. Let us know what you think we should sell these at. Check that out. It's got an amazing flower on it. What's this one got? Same thing?
Yep, pair.
Yep. Let us know what you think we should sell them at. And be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.
Oh, spiders not included.
Oh, man, yeah. We're going to clean off the spider eggs. Don't worry. Be sure to tune in next time on Thrift Store Unboxing.